Hi guys, sorry if I have smeg on my face, or stuff on my face. Just ate dinner. Now I'm in my Nana and Granny's back garden for the 50th time this year, because, you know, my mum and my dad are busy. I hate going out, so I just go at days, not most of the time. Oh. Now this is a bird box that me and my granda made. I'm going to try and be quiet because I don't know if the mum is in. I mean, you can't see in, but it says to let, and it can be put over, but that's a little bit mean to the mum and stuff. Yeah, they're in there. So if you look in there, you can, I think, you can see all of the little birdies sleeping. There is, I do also have, zoomed in tons for me. I do have some rabbits which I'm going to show you. One's called Freddy. I don't know why I'm doing that because I know his name. I'm just like, Freddy. This is going to be really hard to open. I struggle to open it with one hand. Two hands, I mean. Ow, 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 ow. Wait, I'm just going to put you down over here so I might be shouting to try and get you. So. I can come back and get you. Now I am going to get one called Freddy. Don't know if you can see him. He's that little thing. Can I focus behind the bars? Focus. Focus. That little rascal down there. I also have another one called Fluffy. He's a boy as well. Freddy's a boy and Fluffy's a boy. I've got Isabel. And I say Isabel, sounds like I'm saying Isabel necessary on a bike. Now this is Snowflake. She's the mother. She was the first one in our little family. Yes, this is a dog cage, I know. It's really hard to open as well because it's so rusty off all the rain and stuff. So I'm going to do that. And I'm going to put you guys back up there, like this. Put that like that, and go get Freddy. Freddy is easier to carry them. Come on, Freddy. Got Freddy. Freddy is here in all his glory, which isn't very gloriful, but that's him. He's a male. He's black and white and a little bit yellow. That's just how the way rabbits are. He's got lovely brown eyes. He's got an always moving snout, and if I this isn't animal cruelty here. I'm just going to lift his... Oh no, is it? You can, hopefully. You can see his little mouth. Can't ya? Now, the thing that saddens me and makes me really cry is that two of my rabbits are not with us. Because one of them got stolen when they shouldn't even be away at this time and point, because they were so little. It was like a newborn. And then one called Angel. She wasn't moving. She didn't have her spine. You could feel it like there. We gave her medicine and everything, and every time we did it, she would not pick up. She would just stay lying. And we got really scared for her because I loved her because she would sleep in my arms or sleep in my sleep with a little towel on its head, everything like that. Always just do stuff without 2 seconds. What? It won't jump, it's too scared. Sorry, that's my Nana getting into things I shouldn't be doing. Oh God! Don't you dare chew my camera. It hasn't chewed it. Okay. Sorry for that, guys. I think she's the world's best camera person when she knows nothing about cameras. You can't jump down. The rabbits to be moving along and sorry, it's all dusty. To be like moving around and getting exercise. So everything all right there? Do you want to be quiet so I can finish my video? Thank you, Snowflake. So yeah, we lock the furthest gate away. We don't let them inside the house unless they have like something underneath them because they get scared to poop. Which is really hard to clean when it just happens, but after a while it gets dry, which is disgusting. Now, you little monster. That's not food, my camera. You can see his little feetsies. His claws are big. Oh! What are you doing, man? You can run around the doorway. Don't worry, I'm not going to hit him, I'm just going to... Oh yeah, I need to turn on all of them. Sorry, I completely forgot about Hughes for a minute there. Now he can't get out. I'm going to keep an eye on him, but I just want to show you how rascally this one is. He's a munchkin, technically. Boingy, 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 boing. Boinky, 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 boink. Boing, boing. Boing, boing, boing. You okay? That arm works. That foot works. This arm works. Your head works. Good. Now I'm gonna put you down because you're. Yeah. By the way, it's only just like dinner time right now. That's the ice cream van going off. Can you please shut up? Get. Oh no! For goodness. And guys, it's freezing out here. But my mum has got me a jacket and my mum isn't here. This is my nana and my granddad's house. I just want to show you where he is right now. So He's not outside. Well, he is outside, but he's not. He isn't over here. He isn't along here, or down here, or in here. I know that looks convincing. That's his dad. Or down there, or in there, or over there. Where could he? Ah, there you are, Freddy. I sometimes call him Fredwood, just because I like calling him Fredwood, to be honest. And I'll give you a little tour while Freddy's sort of just doing stuff. I'll give you a little tour of my granddad's back garden. So this plant, my granddad's a big gardener in our family. So the minute you walk out, there's a step there which I've tripped over about 1,000,001 times. There's no other stair. There used to be, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there used to be, I think, anyways. And it's got this pad on, and it's got that, and it's got loads of different buckets. The floor is tile. So this, yes, I know it's a toilet. The other bit of it is inside. Now this is my den. It's called the Wild Life Garden. Or it says Ellie's den, and this is my den area with the birdhouse and stuff. And that's an insect house, which fell down the other day, which was really bad. Hedgehogs are over there, which I don't actually have. I don't have hedgehogs. Oh, he's over there. I was like, where's Freddy gone? Line you up here. Sorry you can't see me off of this. I'm trying to get him. I can put him on the lead and show you what he does on the lead. I'm scared that he'll have a camera. Look up, but it's okay. It's okay. Just getting put on a pillow, man. I just need to go get the leash. Sorry about this, guys. If you have grandparents, you'll know what this feels like to have grandparents going, "Are you all right? Ah, that's getting on your camera." It's a bit like, it's just a little bit like annoying. But you know, I still love them. Yeah, this is as hard as it sounds. But putting a rabbit on a leash, which he does not want to go on. So I'm going to get you in a minute, but first I just have to wind up this while I grab him. Grab him either by like this with his feet, because then he doesn't get as shaky, or just grab him by that, but then you can see his feet and his arms get shaky, which means then he gets shaky. Alvin, he can trust me now, but he used to not be able to trust me. So you see how he's trying to go over there? That's not animal cruelty either. That's called trying to make sure your rabbit does not run and kill itself. No! This way, Freddy. No, not that way either. No, not through the chair so I can't get you. Up, up, up. Well done. Down. Yes. Well done, Freddy. No, not in there. Back, 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 back. This way. No, not that way. Not that way. This way. This way. Oh, man. Freddy, man. This way. You have to nudge him. Yeah, you can't. No, you're not moving backwards, buddy. Forget about that. No, I'm opening the gate for you, man. Freddy, man. You cheeky little thing. No. Freddy, no. This way. Freddy, do you want me to get you by that? There you go. There. Go on, no. I'm going to close the door behind you so you can't get back in. Scoot. Scooty, go. Go. Vamos. Show them how much you can do. There you go. Well done, Freddy. No. Freddy, oh God. I'm hitting my camera thanks to you, mate. I'm going to try and... There's a dog that lives next to Freddy, and for some stupid reason, he really wants to go in the house. And now, he's chilling in the plants. Yeah, I'm not letting you stay in there for too long. Oh, jeepers. There you go. Run, Freddy, run! Run, Freddy, run! Run, Freddy! Why did you stop, Freddy? Why? Till I'm done. Come on. Well done, Freddy. He likes in here. Now, guys, it's been fun knowing you, but sadly, it's time to go